So here is the new belt template. It is for 1.5 inch belt. First thing you're going to do is you're going to peel off all of the brown sticky paper that will be used to protect it during shipment. Peel all of that, and then you're going to snap this together like so, and you've got the entire template. Now, how to use this is you're going to take a measurement on your belt. You're going to take it from the folded end here all the way down until the hole that is used on the existing customer's belt or on your belt, and take that measurement, and then you're going to add 10 inches to that length, and that will be your belt length. Now, the way the template works is, so if this is the tip of my belt, I'm going to lay the template on there like so. I'm going to line the tip up with it. This is a little wider than 1.5 inches. And the hole here, I'll show you that just a little bit better. The hole right there, you can see it's got a little arrow and it's got the circle. That will end up being the hole that we measured to. So you're going to lay this on here, and you're going to mark the first 7 holes, which are bracketed here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 7 holes will be the holes used for the buckle. Then you'll line up the end here on the back end, and you'll use these 2 holes. Here's your slot, and then here are these holes here. And it's clearly marked out, use these 4 holes and slot on buckle end. So that is how you use the template. And then on the back end, if you'll notice, I've got a little bracket here, and from that all the way to the end, you're going to want to skive that down so that when you fold it up, it is not a bunch of leather that you're going to have to deal with trying to get either snaps or rivets or Chicago screws in place. So that is it. It'll be shipped in 2 pieces like so, and super easy to use.